you see that guy with the come.
I go give you this. Tell us now. Tell us now you get this car. Tell us now you get this car. Later I go give you the car. Tell us now you get the car.
Now me, you want use to escape poverty, Abi? You want use me to escape poverty?
What's it with that?
Hello, young man. Are you the owner of this car?
I'm the owner of the car.
Jesus. Are you sure you're the owner of this car?
Young man, I'm 20%. I'm the owner of the car.
Are you sure? Look at the number and see that the owner of this car is paying me 20 billion. Who is the owner of this car?
Abego, no call me.
Jesus. You're the owner of this car. Let's go to the police.
I beg.
Let's have
Say you're the owner of this car now.
No, nah. No, the owner be this.
Now you be the owner.
Jesus.
Now you be the owner. Jesus.
You know what?
Don't be for you now, danger you did.